Hey there, this is Loli from Blue Melon, and in this and the next two videos, I'll walk you through different ways of using the type tool in Illustrator. The first thing I want to show you is the difference between point text and area text. To create text in Illustrator, you need to grab the type tool, either from the Tools panel or by typing T in your keyboard. If you just click once in your artboard, you'll be creating point text. This is text in a line based on a point. You can type and type, and this line will never end. In order to break the lines, you need to use the return key. This is usually my go-to for titles because you can scale it easily. Just remember to always use the Shift key because otherwise your text will be distorted. On the other hand, if you want to create a longer paragraph without breaking the lines manually, you want to use area text. So using the type tool again, you click and drag. Your rectangle will be filled with this dummy text called lorem ipsum, which is usually used when your content is not ready yet. In this case, when scaling area text, your type will not be distorted. What will change is the wrapping. You can also change the wrapping by adding points as a shape. So you can add some points with the pen tool, and then using the direct selection tool, you can move these points around and you'll be changing the shape of your paragraph. This is very useful for editorial design, for example, when you have an object next to the paragraph and you want to integrate it. So that being said, I now want to show you a little trick I myself learned a bit too late. So let's say you have a very short sentence in area text, but you want to edit it as point text. So in order to do this, you just double click in this handle here. And now you have point text. Just keep in mind that if some text was hidden in the area text, for example, like here, when you do this text will be lost. And you can also do the same backwards. You can change point text into area text exactly the same way. You double click in this handle, and now you have area text. But again, keep in mind that the line breaks will stay the same. So if you want to change the shape of your paragraph, you will need to adjust this manually. Well, this was a very simple trick, but it could save you a lot of time if you didn't know it. So I hope you enjoyed it and see you in the next video.
Chicka bam bam, Blue Melon.